Syncro 16-inch Fender Flare Kit. Let's go. First, we're going to cut out the template from our sheet, which is included in your kit. This is the front template. Here I am cutting out the hole for the bracket. Just made a fold, cut a semicircle. This is showing where the cut is going to occur. The red line, this is the same process front and rear. You'll notice that you'll have two templates in the kit, one for the front, one for the rear. So because this is the opposite side, we're placing the template face inward. We're taping it to the fender, and we're going to make some marks with a Sharpie to show us as a guide where we're going to cut and where we're going to drill. Now you can remove the template and get ready to cut and drill. Grab your drill. You can use a step bit or a 5mm drill bit. Either one works. Here's our sawzall cut. We're going to saw the top first, horizontal cut to the line, and then we're going to make a upward cut from the bottom. You'll notice that this fender has been trimmed previously, which is the case for most Syncros, maybe not, but just in case, the template works for either. A little deburring and some primer paint to cover up the exposed metal, because we don't want the van to rust. Next is our stainless steel bracket, which is in your hardware kit and your stainless hardware. So go ahead and fasten the bracket with the flat side of the clip facing outward. Add the nut and tighten with a screwdriver. So you want the clip to face the direction of the cut, like this. Next, we install the Fender Flare itself. You can start at the bottom, tighten the screw lightly so that you can get the alignment correct. Use your self-tapper to screw in right here. The holes are provided on the part. Be careful not to over tighten these, they'll just strip out. And this is the finished product. This is the front. And this is the rear. The process is the same on both front and rear. Terrawagen, get your flare on.